Surely is a step in the right direction, but I think the pace is something which, people who have been following the game and have been agitated by the lack of transparency and opaque nature of BCCI. I'm slightly disappointed that it's not the full throttle and the acceleration is not at the pace at which one ordinary fan would have expected. Although it's welcome that an independent auditor has been appointed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the funds are something which are now being closely scrutinized, and also there is a limit which is going to be fixed on the usage of the funds. There is a compliance report which has been sought from the President and Secretary of BCCI, and also as far as the affidavit which has been filed by Anurag Thakur, the clarification has been sought from Shashank Manohar. So all these are steps in the right direction, but it's just fallen short of appointing administrator, which is a court appointed and monitored administrator. So one was expecting that. One was also expecting that at least the contempt proceedings would be initiated against the top bosses of BCCI, who have surely in unequivocal terms shown their an attitude that they don't want to comply with the judgment of the Supreme Court, and they have in their own manner obstructed in the administration of justice, which is the grossest contempt one can commit. So these are slight disappointments, and I hope in the days and weeks to come the Honorable Supreme Court also initiates a contempt proceeding and appoints an administrator as far as BCCI is concerned.